Let's fix VLC player lagging and skipping when playing 4K or 1080p HD videos. Hello everyone, let's get started. So first of all, head over to your VLC player and from the navigation bar go to the Tools option. On the bottom you will find Preferences, tap on it. Now under Source Settings, which is on the bottom, you have to tap in or select the All option. This way you can see various options on your screen. From the left side you have to scroll down until you find Video, and under Video you should see Output Modules. Make sure that the video output module is set automatic. After that you have to save the option and then cross the VLC player. And then restart it. Again follow the previous steps of Tools and then Preferences, and under that select All Advanced Settings. This time we have to select the option of Input Codec. Under Advanced you will see File Caching. If it is 300 set on your device, make sure to make it double of it, which is 600. And if it is 500, make sure to make it 1000. Once you have made the changes, make sure to save it. Moving on to another solution, again go to Tools and then on Preferences. Again select All. After that, this time we have to search for Video Codecs, which is under Input and Codecs. You just have to click on the drop-down menu and select the first option of FFmpeg. Under that, we will see the section of threads. So the hardware decoding must be selected as automatic and the thread should be set to 2. Once this is done, you can click on the Save button. And for the next changes, you have to go to Tools again and then go to Preferences. And similarly, from the previous option, that is Video Codecs, we have to click on the option of X264. Here, the number of references frame must be set to 3 and you are good to go. This should probably fix the issue. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.